Mad Shark sent over a 5-inch paring knife for me to check out. Let's see what's in the box. That's nice. This is from their Entry Lux series. And initial impressions, this is a very nice paring knife. Let's give it a shot and see how well it works as a paring knife. So if you're making old fashions, you need a little orange peel. That's working pretty well for that. And give it the tomato test. Out of the box, it's nice and sharp and ready to go. It's German hardened steel, very comfortable ergonomic handle. This is, like I said, a really nice paring knife, especially since it comes in to what I would consider a budget price range. It's much nicer knife than what the price point says.